Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to handle custom orders on eBay. So firstly open eBay application on your device and then open section notifications at the bottom side of the screen. Here check if some buyer has contacted you with a custom request. In theory this notification should be in the section selling or maybe important. So read the message carefully and then look for specific details like quantity, color, personalization, or some combined items, and you can tap reply button and confirm whether you can fulfill the request of the buyer. In your message you should mention the price, processing time, and any changes in shipping. So if the buyer's request is doable, go back to selling section at the bottom side of the screen and tap press button list an item to basically create a custom listing. When you found the item that is similar to yours, I will just open my draft just to show you how do I do it. So in the title here, mention that it's very important. You need to mention that it's a custom order for and write buyer's username so that the buyer know it is for them. Then upload, of course, photos. Then in the description you need to add the custom product details and include any agreed upon features of your item. And then of course set the price, and here also the quantity, and shipping details as discussed with a buyer. And when you are done filling in your listing, basically list your item by pressing this blue button, list your item, and of course message your buyer with a direct link to the listing. Again, to message a buyer you need to go to notifications and here go to your buyer's messages, and once the buyer make the purchase, proceed with the order like regular sale. So ship on time and add tracking information. It's very important. The very important thing that you need to keep all communication within eBay messages to protect both you and the buyer in case of any issues. So that's basically it. That's basically how you can handle custom orders on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.